How's it going, everybody? I just got home and I noticed there are two boxes on my front porch over there, which means my exhaust system is finally here. So, yeah, let's put the windows up. Shut that off. Grab a Red Bull. Red Bull. Alright, in case you're wondering what this white shit on the ground is, that's snow. That's what it does in Ohio. Alrighty, so what we got here? We got a big white box on top, an akrapovic, whatever the hell you say it, I don't know. Don't care. But we'll keep this one a secret for a minute. Alright, so we'll get to that in a minute. We'll open it up, show you what it is. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell, all that cool shit, whatever. Alright, play that intro video. Let's get this box open, see what it is. I could just turn it to the side, but I do need the giveaway. Pretty excited. It's gonna be loud and cool, and I'll be able to do my my tuning that I got from Bren Tuning, thanks to Manny at Moto Million. About a month ago, if you watched my my launch control video, said I wasn't too happy with the people I ordered it from. Well, we worked out a pretty good deal. He got me the Bren tune, and we got a full system exhaust from him too. So let's see what this is. Ooh. Got a little carbon fiber mount thing, or heat shield rather. Whatever the hell it is. Yeah, carbon fiber, heat shield. Tell you what it is, I guess. So, I went with the SC Project GP70R carbon matte exhaust, or muffler there. That's nice right there. Ugh. What the hell is that? It's supposed to be like that. Let's get a closer look at this here. Not sure if I like that, but alright. So let's get the mid pipe and header open. Obviously I went with the akrapovic. That's how we open shit. Got a whole bunch of bubbles, crap. Dig that. Alright. Noise measuring. I don't care about that. I went with the titanium, so that's pretty light. Hold up one finger there. And, I'm going to attempt to put this on by myself here in the garage. I gotta go run to my dad's house, grab a heater. It's cold as shit out here. Alright. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. All that good stuff, whatever. And hopefully next video we'll have the Bren tuning on and the exhaust on. The reason I'm waiting for the Bren tune or to plug it into the motorcycles, because on the questionnaire I said I had a full system exhaust. Obviously you can see my exhaust is sitting in a box right now, so it's not on the bike. Yep. So check out the next video. I'll have posted up here within the next week or so. I'll be putting this exhaust on. All right.